their background. They have to spend a lot of years working underground.
Using your way is okay, and it's oftentimes encouraged because it's the process of finding out who you are and figuring out what you want.
If you follow that path, you have some kind of skills that you can continuously use to serve people. How can you prepare yourself for it? Right? And how can you choose the right path? You want to share, and I want to be able to help young people. So